those two bits join these two bits. Should we? Do this. I think do this side now. I didn't think that was going to be that easy. No, there must be 3 long ones. Are they all the same? No. Very short. Have you got an extra long? Have you got a long one then? Yeah. Okay. What do you think this bit does? I don't know. Probably. I don't know what this is. Give me some of the short ones after side to side. I think they weave in and out, if you know what I mean. Okay, here, to do that first. Yeah, that is wrong. In a bit. Oh, they made it. Is there another one? No? One missing. Somebody should make this one. What do you think this is for? I'm so sure it would become apparent. I don't know. Like underneath. This could be like a sail sort of thing. Yeah. It must be this. If they were in, wouldn't it? Ta-da! That's a nice bed. Must be used to be black. Okay, I'm doing a very quick midweek video, but we need some help. So what I'm looking for is advice or a link in the comments of any videos that you've seen to do with iron beds, because I'm struggling to find some. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So if you remember back to the video, we found this gorgeous bed in the attic of the cottage. We've built it up today because I wanted to see how it went together. I think it's pretty perfect, but what I want to ask is this what I do with this? These metal straps? Is this how this goes in? Also, is there a better way of making it more secure? Is that where that goes across the middle? Anybody ever seen one of those?